When I was in school, I was head girl on the student council. I also did a lot outside of school. I loved playing music with my wonderful friends. My name is Jackie Fox and I am Washington Correspondent with RTE News, and I did my Leaving Cert back in 2008. One memory I have of the Leaving Cert is the art history and art appreciation paper. It was on June 12th, 2008, and it was my last exam, but it was also the day before my 18th birthday. We had a big party that weekend for my birthday, and it was just a big celebration also for everyone, and it turned out to be my highest grade, art. I got an A2. I applied for an art portfolio course in Galway and also communication studies in DCU. I ended up getting enough points just about. From there I went on to do a master's in journalism and got my placement in RTE and just never left. And now I'm here at the White House as Washington Correspondent. My advice to students about to sit their exams is to surround yourself with people who make you feel good. It can be such a stressful time, and it's important to surround yourself with people who will help and support you along the way.